Welcome, in front of me is a Tecno Spark Go, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So, to get started, we will need to open up our settings. From here you want to scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Phone, and then erase all data. This will give you a list of items that will be, or data that will be removed by performing this reset. So if you keep anything on your device like photos, music, or documents that you don't want to get rid of, make a backup copy of them before you begin. Now, that being said, I'm gonna assume that you have already made a copy or you just simply don't want to, at which point you can select Erase All Data and then select Erase All Data once more, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. This process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.